Hi everyone, welcome to AP Biology. I'm really excited to be teaching this class this year, and I am ready for this virtual challenge, so I hope you are too. Alright, the purpose of this one-year college level course, as stated in the AP Biology course description, is for students to cultivate their understanding of biology through inquiry-based investigations as they explore the following topics. So, evolution, cellular processes, energy and communication, genetics, information transfer, ecology, and interactions. And so, inquiry is an investigation. So we can still do inquiry online. We can still get all the things done that we need to do. I am going to go over a few items. Textbook, I will have some textbooks available to check out. I am working on getting online access as well for the textbooks. So hopefully I can have some answers for you very soon. Lab portfolio, super important to keep a lab notebook, and actually colleges may require to see your lab notebook in order for you to get credit for the lab portion of the class. So I'll let you go through the syllabus on your own. It has lots of good information on it. We will be doing a lot of things on Google Classroom, and you guys know how Google Classroom works. For parents, make sure that your student will add you or guardians, add your email address to the Google Classroom, and there's a way for them to invite you so that you can add your email address and you can get updates. Trust your student to know how to do things. They are super smart. They are dedicated, they're hardworking, they can persevere, they can get things done. I would suggest encouraging them to set up a schedule. Especially if you have more than one AP class, you're going to have to dedicate some time, about 3 to 4 hours a week per AP class, and you guys can do it. You can rise to the challenge. Set up a schedule, help yourself, but be flexible. Know that life happens sometimes, and just reschedule if you need to. All right, Zoom etiquette. We're going to be doing a lot of things on Google Classroom. Great thing for this year is every teacher will have Google Classroom, so it's a one-stop shop. Everything will be posted on Google Classroom, as well as there will be a link to my personal website on the school's website. You can get more information there. So Zoom etiquette, we're going to be doing a lot of Zooms. So let's talk about some do's and some don'ts. Do arrive on time to meetings with your camera on. Your camera needs to be on for the length of the meeting. Do sit in a quiet spot with limited distractions. Keep yourself on mute and raise your virtual hand to speak. Dress appropriately. Make sure you're within the Somerset dress guidelines. Make sure family members know not to disrupt you at this time. And so family, if you can help out when your student is in class via Zoom, please respect their time. Don't eat or drink during our meeting, please. Don't walk around with your device. Stay in one spot during our meeting. Don't turn on music or the television or Netflix or whatever it is they're using during the meeting. And don't forget to smile and be happy that we are still a learning community. I'm really excited for this opportunity to teach AP Biology. Hopefully you've had an AP class before. If not, that's okay. And I look forward to seeing you virtually soon. Thanks. Bye.